Amphenol ICC's IX industrial connectors support Ethernet, Profinet, DeviceNet, EtherCAT, Modbus, and other common protocols to enable compact and robust industrial IoT connectivity from the sensors and actuators at the factory floor to the cloud. IX industrial connectors feature a 10mm pitch and are 75% smaller than a traditional Ethernet connector, enabling greater port density. The 2-point metal latches provide more robust mating than RJ45 connectors to prevent accidental disconnects. The connectors perform at Cat6a levels and are PoE capable. They provide 360-degree shielding as a mated pair for superior EMI protection, and they can operate from -55 to +85 degrees Celsius. The housings are keyed for 3 different types to prevent improper mating and are fully intermatable with IX industrial products from other authorized vendors.